Enterprise IT data centers have become incredibly complex. Traditional architectures have made every aspect of the infrastructure lifecycle a challenge, from buying and deploying to managing and scaling. My team is stretched thin dealing with this complexity. Costs are skyrocketing, and we have little time to innovate and drive business growth. With my inbox being inundated by IT resource requests, we are struggling to deliver. There's got to be another way. Internet companies like Facebook and Google devise a better approach to designing, building, and managing data centers. Webscale IT. Webscale IT has allowed these companies to achieve unprecedented business agility, predictable scale, and low total cost of ownership. Their infrastructure scales predictably to thousands of servers and zettabytes of data, running continuously without disruption. They bring new products and services to market rapidly and support the fast pace of product development and releases. Webscale IT is having far-reaching impact on every aspect of data center technology, from infrastructure and application design to IT organization and processes. Turnkey enterprise IT solutions are now incorporating core Webscale principles and technologies. Webscale converged infrastructure solutions make Webscale accessible to all enterprises regardless of size. They run standard enterprise applications without requiring an overhaul of the IT organization and architecture. Webscale converged infrastructure differs from traditional IT infrastructure in several ways. Standard off-the-shelf x86-based servers deliver compute and storage resources, eliminating the need for separate storage like a SAN. Hyperconvergence lowers the space and power requirements and simplifies infrastructure buying. With intelligent software, IT environments can be scaled out predictably in small increments as needed. Webscale systems are 100% software-defined. No reliance on hardware for resilience, performance acceleration, or any core functions. New capabilities can be quickly added without hardware upgrades. Infrastructure can be configured on the fly to support different application needs. Software distributes data, metadata, and operations across the entire cluster. With no bottlenecks or choke points in the data and control paths, the environment can grow without limits. Webscale systems are built from the ground up for resilience and always-on operation. They recover quickly from individual component failures without degrading application or data availability. Distributed software isolates faults and restores health using all resources, while the cluster stays up. Extensive automation and comprehensive REST API reduces operational expenses, while rich analytics deliver actionable insights and enable data-driven efficiency. Companies can do more at a lower operational cost. Webscale converged infrastructure brings radical simplicity to the data center. Nutanix delivers Webscale converged infrastructure for the enterprise. It uses Webscale architectures and technologies including MapReduce, NoSQL databases, and Zookeeper to deliver rich enterprise capabilities such as deduplication, compression, thin provisioning, snapshots, clones, and advanced data protection at the granularity of a single virtual machine. With Nutanix, I can get Webscale benefits without handcrafting my IT environment or learning new skills. The Nutanix solution delivers the ultimate in data center simplicity. It's easy to deploy and manage. I have the flexibility to start small and scale incrementally on demand. A single Nutanix cluster can support a wide range of enterprise application workloads running on VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and KVM, and be managed using a simple, consumer-grade management interface. The enterprise data center is ready for a powerful transformation. Webscale converged infrastructure is the future, and it's here today with Nutanix.